You wake up in the morning and feel that your knees don't move as easily as they used to. Stairs seem longer than before, and sometimes even a short walk leaves your joints feeling stiff or sore. Does this sound familiar? Many people think it's just age, but the truth is different. Often what your body is really missing is collagen, the thread that holds bones, tendons, cartilage, and even skin together. Collagen isn't some trendy supplement. It's a protein we had plenty of in our youth, but as the years pass, our levels decline. Without it, skin loses firmness, bones lose strength, and joints lose flexibility. In this video, you'll discover 10 natural foods rich in collagen, how they protect your joints, strengthen your bones, and keep your skin firm. I'll also share easy ways to add them to your daily routine and why science confirms their benefits. Studies show that when we regularly eat foods that boost collagen, joints become more mobile, pain decreases, and a sense of lightness returns. And the best part? You don't need pills or powders, just simple foods you already know. Let's begin with two of the most powerful sources. First, bone broth, often called liquid gold. Slow cooking bones releases not only minerals but also collagen in a form your body can easily absorb. Research in Nutrients Journal shows that bone broth improves cartilage elasticity and reduces knee pain in older adults. It's also rich in glycine, an amino acid that promotes better sleep. Imagine a woman in her 60s began drinking 1 cup of warm broth every morning, and within 3 weeks her morning stiffness had eased. To make it, simply simmer beef or chicken bones with vegetables for 8 to 10 hours. The result: soothing, nourishing liquid gold. Second, chicken skin. For years, people threw it away out of fear of fat or cholesterol, but in reality, it's a rich source of collagen types 1 and 3, essential for muscles, tendons, and skin. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that collagen peptides from chicken skin are highly bioavailable and even protect skin from premature aging. Try roasting chicken in the oven and using the crispy skin as a flavorful, collagen-packed topping for soups or salads. If this topic matters to you, hit like and subscribe. That way we can keep sharing more simple health ideas with you. Third, sardines with bones and skin, a forgotten treasure of the sea. These little fish provide collagen, calcium, and vitamin D all in one. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that calcium from sardines is absorbed almost as well as from dairy. Plus, their omega-3 fats help reduce inflammation in joints. Try a simple sardine salad with tomatoes and olive oil, or enjoy them on whole grain toast. Affordable, quick, and powerful for your bones. Fourth, fish with skin. Salmon, mackerel, trout. Many people peel it off, but the skin is packed with type I collagen, which supports elasticity in the skin and blood vessels. According to marine drugs, marine collagen absorbs faster and supports skin regeneration more effectively than bovine collagen. So next time, grill or bake your fish with the skin on, and enjoy both the flavor and the benefits. Fifth, egg whites. They don't contain collagen directly, but they're rich in proline and glycine, 2 amino acids your body uses to make collagen. Egg protein is also one of the most digestible sources of nutrition. A simple veggie omelet is a great choice, or a protein smoothie with banana and yogurt. And if you pair your meal with vitamin C, like a fresh salad or citrus drink, your body will use those amino acids even more effectively to produce collagen. Sixth, natural gelatin. Not the colorful, sugary desserts, but plain, unflavored gelatin. It's made from animal tissues rich in collagen and comes in a form the body can easily use. Clinical studies show that gelatin helps reduce joint pain in both athletes and older adults. Try making homemade lemon or orange jelly, or even healthy gummies, by mixing gelatin with herbal tea. A delicious way to support your joints. Seventh, citrus fruits. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Without it, the body simply can't build collagen fibers. A study in Nutrients found that older adults with healthy vitamin C levels had stronger bones and firmer skin. Start your day with warm lemon water, snack on an orange, or make a refreshing kiwi salad. These simple habits keep your collagen active. Eighth, Chia and flax seeds. Tiny but mighty. Packed with omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants, they reduce hidden inflammation that silently damages joints. A study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology confirmed that flaxseed lowers inflammation markers in the body. Soak chia seeds overnight to drink in the morning, or add ground flax to your oatmeal or smoothie. You can also make a chia pudding with coconut milk and berries. Tasty, easy, and joint-friendly. 9th, avocado. Creamy, nourishing, and protective. Avocados are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats that safeguard the collagen you already have. Research in food chemistry found that avocado antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, one of the main drivers of collagen breakdown. Enjoy half an avocado on toast, add it to salads, or make guacamole with garlic and lemon juice. It's delicious support for your body. 10th, meat with connective tissue. Think of traditional cuts like oxtail, ribs with cartilage, or shank. These contain collagen types E2 and 3, crucial for cartilage and skin elasticity. The International Journal of Medical Sciences found that older adults who consumed collagen from connective tissues for 90 days experienced less joint pain and greater mobility. No wonder our grandparents made stews and broths with these cuts. They're nourishing, strengthening, and timeless. Now imagine this. After just 30 days of adding these foods, your body begins to respond. Less cracking in the knees, smoother steps, skin that feels firmer. It's not magic, it's nutrition. Your body is like a house, and collagen is the cement that holds it together. When the cement dries and cracks, the walls weaken. But when you add fresh cement every day, the house stands strong for years. And so does your body, with strength, flexibility, and resilience. And if you want even more simple tips for joint health, check out my video on foods that block calcium absorption. You'll learn why even healthy foods can sometimes work against your bones. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but even one small step, a cup of broth, a spoonful of seeds, begins the process of renewal. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll feel the difference. You can move with ease, with pride, and with confidence, no matter your age. Your joints deserve daily care and support. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss these simple health tips. And tell me in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat, and which one will you try first?